Held on the play by Free. Setting up a screen for Elliott, blocking in front of him. And Elliott gets the 10 yards back plus some. End zone. Coming back for it. Williams. Touchdown. Do you think the Cowboy fans travel well? An overwhelming amount of cheering on the touchdown to Terrence Williams.
Well, you're going to see Tremaine Brock is in a great position. He's over the top, and Prescott realized that he was not going to be able to get the ball to the back pylon. As you see what Prescott sees, and he has to try to drive the ball then, trying to get it to the back shoulder. But Williams comes back to the ball and is able to make the play.